Let's start with chapter number 4, Paint 3D. In this chapter, I will tell you about Paint 3D, how to start it, and its window I will show you over here, and how to create a 2D shapes and how to create a 3D adding stickers, right? So we have already familiar with MS Paint in the Paint program where we draw pictures and color them. So here I will tell you about Paint 3D. The picture that we draw in a paint in 2-dimensional. There is a program where we can draw these shapes in 3-dimensional also. These specifies the dimensions. They are involved in the shape. 2D shapes are called flat shapes and 3D shapes are called solid shapes. Right? So let's study with the Paint 3D. So we can say that it has been included in latest update to Windows 10, a new version of Paint. In Paint 3D, we can create and added 3D images. What we can do? We can create and add 3D images, and it is designed to be simple and yet powerful. So to create project by combining 2D and 3D too. So in Paint 3D, we can create and we can add 3D images using different tools, right? By using different tools, what we can do? We can draw different types of images. Now start Paint 3D. So click on Start button and click on Paint 3D. First of all, you will go to Start button and you will click on Paint 3D. So like Paint 3D window will open like this, and there are the option of New. So first you have to create a new drawing, then you will click on New option. Let me show you over here. So first of all, we will go to Start menu like this, and here you can write Paint. Here the Paint 3D is there. Double click on it. Like this, your 3D Paint window will appear, right? If you have to create new, you will click on New. This is your Paint 3D window. Right? Next is, now I will tell you the different components. What is this? This is menu, this is title bar. These are option tools. And this is your brush tool. This is your 2D shape. This is 3D shape. This is zoom slider from where you can zoom in and out. These are the different brush options. These are the color palette, and this is the area, drawing area or canvas where you draw. Right? So these are the different. So let's study about first title bar. It displays the name of program. Whatever the name of your drawing is, it will display all that. On the top right corner, there are window control buttons like minimize, maximize, close button. Then we have menu. It displays options such as new, open, insert, save and save as. Right? Then we have drawing area or canvas. It is the drawing area where we can create or draw our shapes. Then we have brush tool, which display brush option. Right, we have color palette in the marker panel on the right side of the window. It displays 10 brush option with slider for the thickness or opacity. So color palette displays the color option available, including the option to add more colors and effects. Next is 2D shape tool. We have 2D shape tool. So with the, it replaces brushes option and display 2D shapes. Like we have line, curve. What are these? These are the different 2D shapes. Let's talk about 3D. Like we have 3D library, 3D doodle, 3D projects and 3D models. Then color palette, you can choose any color from the color palette or use the eyedropper through which you can pick up the different colors which are there already in your canvas. Right. Now option tool, it displays options such as select, crop, magic select, 3D view or zoom slide. Next is creating 2D shapes. Now you want to create a 2D shape. So for that, the different follow the steps like click on 2D shapes. We will notice that number of 2D shapes will appear. Here in the right panel, different shapes will be appear. Click on the desired 2D shape, whichever shape you want to add over here. Now draw the pointer in the canvas to draw the shape, right? Now the desired shape will be drawn and click on commit button. So we can change the color background if you want to change over here also, right? If you want to change the thickness, So first of all, let me show you how to draw a 2D shape. First of all, where you will go? You will go to brushes and then 2D shapes. Like there, different 2D shape will be there. So you can use any shape like I have taken this. Like this, you can draw the 2D shape, right? This is how we can draw the 2D shape, right? Now let's see the creating 3D shape. There are the different steps. Let's see them. Click on 3D shapes category and we will notice number of 3D shapes on the right side. Click on that desired shape, whatever you want, and then you have to move the pointer to the canvas and click and drag the pointer and the shape will be drawn over it. Right? So a 2D shape is drawn with 4 handle and the shape, rotate the shape using the handle to see the 3D effect. So let me show you over here. First of all, you will go to tools and then 3D shapes. Here you can see the different 3D object. Let's take this. Now you can draw over here. If you want to rotate, you can rotate like this. Right? Axis, or here if you want to rotate, you can rotate it like this. You can rotate it in x-axis rotation or in the y. Like this, you can also rotate it. What is this? These are the 3D shapes. Next is adding stickers. So Paint 3D offers several stickers to add in the art network. These stickers are used to add texture. When you want to add the texture, you can add an icon in 2D and drawing. So Paint 3D stickers comes in form of shapes like line, curves, squares, stars, and then there are some traditional stickers like claw, swirl, rainbow. So you have to click on sticker category. Sticker panels appear on the right side. There will be 3 icons: stickers, texture, and add sticker. So for that, click on the sticker icons. All available sticker appear. Then click on the desired sticker, whichever sticker you want to paste over it. Right? So click and hold the left mouse button and drag to the drawn shape. So please, to release the mouse button, stickers appear to the canvas with the handle. You can rotate and make swam around the sticker using handles. Right? Like this, rotate, stamp and commit. So click on commit button to apply the sticker on the canvas. Right? I will show you over here. Now let's see the next step where you have to go. You have to go to stickers. Here the different stickers are there. We have different options over here. Like this, any sticker you can take. Let's drag and drop this sticker over here. Like this, you can put it. If you want to rotate, you can rotate it. Now we will click on commit and like this, the sticker will be put over here. Right? You can rotate it in any direction. Like this, you can put the sticker. Any sticker you can put. If you want to take this eye, you can put over here. Anywhere you want to put it. Like this. Commit. Like this, you can put the different stickers. Right? So, Let's start with the next topic, that is your saving the drawing. Now we have made our drawing, now we want to save it. So for that you have to click on menu, click on save option in the left. Here the menu option there and there is the option of save as. You can go to it and in the right pane click on Paint 3D program button and save as Paint 3D option will be there. And you will write the name, whatever is the name of the project, and you will save in Paint 3D. And your project will be saved over here, right? Let me show you how to save it. You have to go to menu option, then save as. What you have to select, Paint 3D project. Here you can write the name, whatever is the name. You will go to save as Paint 3D. You have to write the name, whatever name. You can write over here ABC and then you will save in Paint 3. Like this, your project will be saved, right? All this in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. It was very interesting. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.